When you want a toy to share, say please to show you care. Magic words are kind and sweet, they make friends you meet. Please and thank you, magic words we say. They bring smiles and joy every single day. Please and thank you, sing it loud and strong. Use the magic words all day long. When someone helps you, big or small, thank you is the best word of all. It shows respect, it shows you're kind, good manners shine, you'll always find. Please and thank you, magic words we say. They bring smiles and joy every single day. Please and thank you, sing it loud and strong. Use the magic words all day long. What do you say if you want a snack? Please. And if your friend gives it back, thank you. What do you say if you'd like to play? Please. And if they smile and say okay. Please and thank you, magic words we say. They bring smiles and joy every single day. Please and thank you, sing it loud and strong. Use the magic words all day long.
Now that we've sung our song, let's listen to a little story about two friends who discovered the magic of please and thank you.
One sunny day at the playground, two friends, Mia and Sam, were building a tall tower with colorful blocks. Mia really wanted one of Sam's blocks. Instead of just grabbing it, she smiled and said, "Please, may I have a block?" Sam was so happy to hear that kind word that he shared right away. Later, it was snack time. Mia shared half of her cookie with Sam. Sam smiled and said, "Thank you." Mia felt proud and glad to share, because those two little words made her day brighter. These words may be small, but they carry big magic. They show kindness, respect, and make new friendships grow stronger every day. So always remember, kids, your magic words can make the world a happier place.